السلام علیکم اسٹوڈینٹس، میرا نام ہے صفدر اور آپ میرا چینل دیکھ رہے ہیں ایجوکیشنل انفو 786۔ آج ہم کویسچن نمبر 12 کو سالو کریں گے، جو کہ ہے فائنڈ دا اینگل آف انٹرسیکشن آف دا گیون کرو y square is equal to ax and x power 3 plus y power 3 is equal to 3axy۔ اس کا سولوشن نکالتے ہیں۔ اسی ایکویشن 1 کا نام دیں کہ y square is equal to ax، یہ ایکویشن 1، and x power 3 plus y power 3 is equal to 3axy، اسی ایکویشن 2 کا نام دیں۔ ایکویشن 1 سے ہم x کی ویلیو فائنڈ کریں گے۔ فرام ایکویشن 1 x is equal to y square over a۔ اب اس ویلیو کو ایکویشن 2 میں پٹ کریں گے، putting this value of x into equation 2۔ y square over a power 3 plus y power 3 is equal to 3a، اور x کی جگہ پہ ویلیوز کی y square over a into y۔ نیکسٹ یہ y power 6 over a power 3 plus y power 3 is equal to 3ay square over a square, 3ay power 3 over a square، اور y power 6 minus 2a power 3 y power 3 is equal to 0۔ یہاں سے y power 3 کامن لیں گے، y power 3 minus 2a power 3 is equal to 0۔ نیکسٹ اور y is equal to 0, 2 power 1 by 3a۔ Now for y is equal to 0 in equation 3 we get x is equal to 0۔ a in equation 3 we have x is equal to 2 power 1 by 3 a power 2 over a, or 2 power 2 by 3a۔ The point of intersection of equation 1 and 2 say P is P into 2 power 2 by 3 a 2 power 1 by 3 a। Now by differentiating equation 1 and 2 with respect to x, differentiating equation 1 2y dy over dx is equal to a۔ equation 2 کو differentiate کریں گے، 3x square plus 3y square dy over dx is equal to 3a into x dy over dx plus y, or 3y square minus 3ax dy over dx is equal to 3ay minus 3x square۔ نیکسٹ یہاں سے dy over dx is equal to a over 2y، اور dy over dx according to point P is equal to a over 2 into 2 power 1 by 3 a, or 1 over 2 power 4 by 3۔ So tan theta 1 is equal to 1 over 2 power 4 by 3, or say m1, and from here dy over dx is equal to ay minus x square over y square minus ax after taking common 3 and cancelling with each other। Now dy over dx according to point of intersection P is equal to a into 2 power 1 by 3 a minus 2 power 2 by 3 a square over 2 power 1 by 3 a square minus a into 2 power 2 by 3 a or 2 power 1 by 3 a square minus 2 power 4 by 3 a square over 2 power 2 by 3 a square minus 2 power 2 by 3 a square or 2 power 1 by 3 a square minus 2 power 4 by 3 a square over a cancel here 0. So theta 2 is equal to 90 degree, where theta 1 is the angle between the tangent equation 1 and the axis at the point of intersection. Where theta 2 is the angle between the tangent to equation 2, and the x-axis at the point of intersection. If theta 1 is the required angle, then theta is equal to 90 degree minus theta 1, and tan theta is equal to 10 into 90 degree minus theta 1, or cot theta 1 is equal to 1 over tan theta 1 is equal to 2 power 4 by 3, hence theta is equal to arc tan 2 power 4 by 3